Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL, is trading just below $1 per share right now. Now, I know that the dollar level is pretty significant, and we have seen some levels of support right here. So this could be an excellent buying opportunity if you haven't yet invested in Sundial Growers, or if you're thinking about averaging on the way down. Now, I know we've watched Sundial Growers fall for about a month now, but this could be really setting us up for a big buy opportunity moving forward. So in this video, let's talk a little bit about what the analysts are saying and whether or not this could be a good buying opportunity for Sundial Growers. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. We're here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, it seems like if you look up an article or if you read an article anywhere about Sundial Growers, it is just going to tell you to avoid Sundial Growers. Don't buy ticker symbol SNDL. Why would you ever buy SNDL stock? It's going to go down, down, down. Now look, let's talk a little bit about why a lot of reporters like to say this. Straight up, it's the fact that Sundial Growers likes to dilute their stock. Anytime the stock goes up, management thinks that it's a good idea to go out and raise capital by issuing more shares. Now, this is diluted. I believe the number was around 1,400%. Shareholders have been diluted by about 1,400% in Sundial Growers just over the last year alone. So this is obviously a huge number and a very big concern moving forward. But look, I don't necessarily think that this is a reason we shouldn't invest in Sundial Growers. The company is debt-free. They've got a lot of cash on hand right now, and they're really setting themselves up to do some big things in the future. Now, I know a lot of analysts and a lot of people are going to argue that Sundial Growers has very low revenue. Other competitors in the industry are growing while Sundial Growers, funny name, the name of the company is Sundial Growers, yet Sundial Growers isn't growing, right? This is like one of the biggest things that analysts love to point to is the fact that they're not growing, that they've got very small revenue. And when you're talking about an industry like the cannabis industry that should be growing, and it's a very new industry and it should be booming, all the companies in that industry should be booming as well. Well, look, they're in a transition period. Sundial Growers is going from more of a wholesale distributor to a retail distributor. They want to focus more on a higher margin sales instead of these wholesale agreements, and that's going to take some time, right? Now, do I think if you're a conservative investor, you should go out and invest in Sundial Growers? Probably not. But if you like high risk, high reward opportunities and you're looking to really make a big play, Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL, could be an awesome play for you. And look, let's talk. I read this article today, and he made a lot of good points in this article. So I'm going to link it down in the description below. So if you want to take a look at it and read the whole thing, absolutely be my guest. But I'm going to go down just to the takeaway. And look, it's some good stuff in here. So it says, Sundial Growers could have tremendous long-term upside. I see the biggest upside coming from a potential buyout by a bigger company with more competent management team. Now, yes, I agree. This could be an excellent opportunity. Sundial Growers has a lot of cash on hand. Sundial Growers doesn't have debt, right? So you can go and buy them. They're a lean company, and they would make an excellent takeover target. Now, as I said before, I'm extremely bullish on the cannabis as a whole. I personally prefer Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC, as his top cannabis stock, but he's been consistently recommending cannabis investors invest in a basket or diversify when it comes to the cannabis sector. He says, now, if you're willing to stomach the volatility and risk, Sundial, SNDL stock, has huge long-term upside potential. But at this point, it's more of a lottery ticket play. Look, lottery ticket plays, you don't have to go out and bet the farm. And at $1 per share right now, you can get a lot of shares relatively cheap. Now, I say relatively cheap because it was trading at $4 per share just a couple of months ago. So this is a 75% discount that you're walking into right now. But why is this dollar mark so important? There's a lot. You can check it out on a technical analysis standpoint. There's a lot of support at the $1 per share mark, okay? Check out I don't know, just look at a 1-year graph, okay? We were trading lower, but we've seen it bounce off this dollar mark about 3 times by now. And what I'm looking forward to moving forward is a bounce off this level and breaking back above some recent highs. Now, if we see this, I believe that we could absolutely soar from here. And this is what's got me so interested in it. And look, I like technical trading. And if we look at the pattern and we see that it's bouncing off again, this could lead to an awesome bounce. So what do you do? If it falls down below that dollar mark and falls down into the 80-cent range, I would say hold off, definitely hold off. You might not see support again until the 70-cent per share mark, and that's where analysts have their consensus estimates at, 74 cents per share. I believe that's a little low. I believe that's a pretty good level of support, but I do believe that Sundial Growers is going to bounce higher. So when it breaks back through that dollar mark, the dollar is always going to be significant because it's nice, it's round. Everybody likes to put their buy orders and their sell orders right at that dollar. So when it breaks back above a dollar, and we retest those recent highs at $1.50 to $1.70. If we break that, guys, I believe that we can go back ahead and retest those highs that we saw just a couple of months ago around the $3.50 to $4 range, and this could be huge upside potential. I mean, imagine getting in now for $1, and then next month we're talking about, you know, breaking $5 per share and heading for $10 per share. That would be an excellent opportunity. Now, should you use Sundial Growers as a fundamental play? Should you analyze it like you analyze other stocks, looking at balance sheets, looking at income statements and things like that? Well, if you want to look at their balance sheet, excellent. They've got no debt and they're pretty cash heavy. This is awesome. Obviously, we know that sales could improve a lot. And hey, if they do improve, if we find out that Sundial Growers is growing revenue, excellent. This is only going to lead to good things. But I believe that Sundial Growers is probably more of a technical play, and this could really lead to good things moving forward if we break up and break past that resistance at $1.50 per share. Now, I want to know what you guys think. If you have Sundial Growers in your portfolio, if you think that this is like just a super risky play, or if you believe that Sundial Growers has some huge potential, either in the form of a buyout or really taking over in this industry and using that money that they have and using no debt that they have to really position themselves in a very well growing industry and do very well moving forward. Let us know down in the comments below, guys. And if you like the content on the channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why. Subscribe to the channel, become a bro. We're here every single day and we're growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, Webull, use it. There's a link down in the description below. It is super simple to set up your account, and you're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing so. And they are giving away stocks of AMC right now. So, you know, if you watch this channel, you know I do a lot of videos on AMC, and they are giving away shares of AMC. So definitely use that link down there. Sign up, make that deposit, and get your free stocks. And if you want to share this video, do so and tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I would love to follow you guys back and really see what everybody's interested in investing in. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.